Alright, so we're up 2-0 right now against Nick Days and the footworking. I'm just gonna set down my iPod and yeah. Uh-huh. Nothing in the back. You gotta call out contact. Alright, so we're up 3-0 now. You see the players, Nick Days and footworking versus Tank and Sparking. So yeah. That guy's getting carried. Huh? I'll hit him back. Alright, so these kids are hitting my partner right now. I'm not gonna lift up the iPod or anything, but they are. These kids are cheeks. Alright, so they just hit off my partner. So I'm playing 1v2 right now. So yeah, these guys are bought. Alright, you can see I'm up 4-0 right now. They just hit off my partner. He just timed out. Where is he? Sparking offline. So yeah, thanks. Alright, so it's 5-0 and they both left the game after they flooded my partner. So yeah, these kids just flooded my partner and then left the game. So yeah, thanks. I have the whole game recorded. And these kids are ass cheeks. And I'm guessing now they're trying to hit me because my shit's freezing up. And, yeah, an error has occurred. You have been signed out of PSN. So these kids are flooding me right now. I could go upstairs and check my router. There's nothing wrong with it. My PS3 is loading hella slow. Alright, so I'm gonna join these kids. Confront them about flooding me. I have the whole match recorded. And yeah, those kids are ass.